Hey y'all, how you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I've got more for you today. Do you want to extend the length of your protection for your plants? Has it outgrown this Dollar Tree basket? Well, all you have to do is get you some popsicle sticks from the Dollar Tree, or if you want it even longer, you can use these painter sticks to attach. And you'll need zip ties, 4 sticks. This is a onion bag. Save your bags, cover it up, protect it from the moths. This is for my cucumber or squash, one of them. I don't know what it is until it grows. And I wanted to extend it because it is touching the top of this trash basket, whatever this is from the Dollar Tree. So I wanted to extend it so that it has more room to grow when I put it on top. So get you some however long you want it, okay? If you want to use these, you can do this, but for right now, I just added these popsicle sticks. And I just use my, you can use whatever tool you have, and I just cut this in an angle. Are these the ones I used? I don't know. Yeah. I'm going to put a point on the end. Like that. Cut the other side, and then you'll have a point so that this can go into the ground. I have a miler cutter, I think that's what it's called, but I don't feel like searching for it. So these are just wire cutters. Use anything you have. Even scissors will cut these. And then what I do, this is the only hole puncher that I have available right now. It's a real fine point, but this starts the hole. I put 2 holes right here at the top. Let's do this right. One hole. Try and get it even. 2 holes. So we have 2 holes, but those are quite small. Then I take my Dremel, and I've got this bit on the Dremel, which is kind of wide. It's going to be wide enough, and I'll make these holes bigger. And it'll get stuck, and you just pull it out and keep going until it goes all the way through. And I work it back and forth a little bit, just a little bit, to make that hole wider. And then I'll do the other one the same way. Until I get it to go all the way through. Then I'll work it a little bit to make it as wide as I want. And now we have 2 holes big enough to put a zip tie in. See? Then you just attach it to the inside of the basket with, I already done this one, I just want to demonstrate so that you can see how I did this. I put it on the inside of the basket. I take it down and bring it up, and then I wrap it around again. I'm going to cut this one off. I just want to do this for demonstration purposes because I already made the basket. Then I thought it would be wise to show you to see if you wanted to do this as well. So I just take it up about 1 inch. Take this through the hole. Bring it back up through the other hole. And this is a medium size zip tie so it can wrap around twice. Okay, I pull that up. Let's get it back in there. As such, like that. And then I'll take the zip tie and I'll come back down by the rim and go around the popsicle stick. And that'll give it a more secure hold. So I'll take it back down, take it around the back of the popsicle stick, hold on, gotta maneuver it a little bit. I gotta pull this down in further. Okay, let me get it positioned right. Pull it tight, and then I'm gonna come around the back of this popsicle stick. And I'm gonna come back up around the popsicle stick through this mesh basket. Pull it as tight as I can and go through the zip tie and secure it until you get it meshed. Can you get it tight? Just like that, and that secures it. See how tight that is? And then when you bring, I did all these sticks before I pulled this onion bag down. Okay? So you get that on there, and it's tight. And this onion bag, because when you put these on with the onion bag being up here, they stick out wider. They stick out like this. But when you pull this onion bag down, it pulls these sticks in. And then I just take it down like that, and I take a regular stapler and staple the mesh onto the popsicle stick. Now I can take this outside. I'm not going to take that off. I'm going to leave it. I can take this outside, put it on top of my squash or cucumber or whatever that thing is, and it's going to give it this much more room to grow because it's already at the top of the basket, and keep it protected. Now if I want to, when it grows this tall, I can cut these in a corner, in a point. These painter sticks, you can get these free from, the big box stores. Just grab you a few. Grab 4 at least. And then I can do the same technique and attach just probably 2. 1 on each side. And that'll give me that much more room. And this bag is not going to stretch down any further, but I could wrap it with some netting or something around the base. But there you have it. A little garden hack. Tell me what you think. Leave me some comments. Give me a thumbs up. Peace and love. Happy gardening. Give it a try. Protect those plants from those moths that my granddaughter thinks is so cute. And I told her, no, they're not. But anywho, thank you so much. Toodles. Love ya. We'll see you next time.